Hi, I'm Peter. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the Copic Ciao Markers. In this video, I do a graffiti lettering using the Copic Ciao Markers, and you can get some great results using the Copics and blending them together. At the moment, I'm just mapping it out with the lead pencil, and then the following step, I'm going to use the multi-liners. I start basic outline with a 0.3 multi-liner and just work around all the outlines, going over my pencil lines as neatly as I possibly can. I'm trying not to smudge the ink. It does dry pretty quick, and it's good to just start to outline some of the main areas that you want to then blend. Then they also come in a brush small and a brush medium, and also lots of other sizes. So at the moment I'm using a brush, and then I'm going to swap over to the 0.8, which gives you some nice thick outlines. I find the brush is quite nice to use because you can get some variation of thin and thick lines. You don't want to just have all the same outline. When selecting your colours, it's great to use colours from the same family, and at the moment I'm using B00, and then I work over it with B02, and as you can see I then go back over it with the light B00, then I go back over it with the B02, and my darkest colour that I'm using is a B05, and I keep layering between them just to get the blending nice and smooth. So usually you use the lightest colour, then the next lightest, then you go back to the lightest colour, and then you keep working in progression, and you can build up your layering with these Copic Ciao markers because they're beautiful to work with, and especially when you're using blending paper, they're really smooth. You can get some great results. They blend into each other really nicely, especially if you use colours from the same family. Now for the background, this is where I'm going to be using some yellows, oranges and a red. And starting this time with the darkest area, which is R27, and I'm putting that down first because I want the center of it to be dark to provide contrast. Then I've moved out to the Y04, and I also use the Y38, and then I also use the Y07, Y06, Y02, and then the colourless blender to fade it right out. So I'm trying to achieve the effect from going from red to orange to yellow to the background paper colour. And as you can see, I'm just working between the colours. So I lay down some colour of yellow, then I might go to orange, then I might go back to yellow, back to orange, darker orange, back into the red, and overlapping really helps. If you can overlap the colours, it helps them blend together, and especially on the blending paper. And as you can see, I'm using the colourless blender on the corners and then the orange, and I just keep working my way around, overlapping to get the blending just how I like it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you do, you know what to do, press that like button, and stay tuned for some more videos. Thanks. See ya.